Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is created as per the request from one of friend who watched my Splunk tutorials and wanted some help. This tutorial is split into 3 parts, first one on installation of Splunk on Windows 10, then setting up Windows add-on for Splunk to collect system and performance logs. We will be creating the logs in separate indexes, and lastly the data will be used to create reports and dashboards. We will be creating few charts for performance monitoring, and that will be added to Splunk dashboards. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and like the video. This video is the part 1 and we are going to set up Splunk on Windows 10, which is pretty easy and straightforward. As you can see that currently there is no Splunk installed on this machine. Splunk runs on port 8000 and you can access the Splunk site using IP address port 8000 or localhost 8000. As a first step, we need to log into Splunk website and download the installation source for Windows 10. Follow the steps as you see on the screen. Please give an admin account name and password in this screen. Make sure you remember the details, as this will be used to log into Splunk web portal once the installation is completed. 8. Splunk Enterprise installation is completed. You can access the Splunk web portal using localhost port 8000 or IP address port 8000. Kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. In next video we are going to use Windows add-on for Splunk. We will download the app from Splunk base and install it on the Splunk server and configure to collect the necessary log files. Thank you for watching.